Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little project share. This was 100% inspired by Haley. She's Supreme Glitter Queen on Instagram, and she made this like book, and on the binding it had a straw and a pom-pom, and it like trigger went off. I wanted to make North Pole embellishments, so that's exactly what I did. She used a paper straw, and I looked in my stash and none were very Christmassy. I probably destashed them all, but I literally just hauled these the other day from Walmart. They are a thick plastic straw, and they cut like butter with like cheap 99-cent store scissors. So I used some red and some green, but the North Pole, when I think of it primarily, I think of the barbershop red and white. And then I also used, oops, dropping all my pom-poms. These pom-poms are from Joann's this year, and they have like a peppermint swirl to them. I did use some regular ones as well, but look how cute, you guys. I used all these little charms. These are from Alina Craft on AliExpress. They're just tons of like traditional Christmas little pom-poms. So I was like, let's make North Pole embellishments. I unfortunately did not have any like stamps or anything that I can think of that said North Pole, so I literally just went on my my computer and printed out the word North Pole and Santa's Workshop in a 12 font and then like a 14 font because I didn't know how they were gonna fit, and so I just kind of mixed them in with different fonts. But anyway, I did North Pole and then Santa's Workshop, alternating on all of these, and I just made the little flags stitched around and then a pom-pom at the top. These ones I used the spiky ones, but these ones, which I absolutely love, look how cute. This one I did the Santa face because why not? That's Santa's Workshop. These little eyelets. These little tiny itty bitty jingle bells. These are from Hobby Lobby. They are actually brads. And if you'll look, it's a brad. I hole punched it. And then I did a brad and just cut off the edge of the brad that was hanging over. So I just have a little bell on some of them. I mean, all of them. This one I put the bell at the bottom, and I just didn't put a charm at the top because I didn't want it to cover anything, so I just left that one like that. And I think these turned out so cute. So there's Santa, little reindeer, because that's what you'll find at the North Pole. This one with just the bell. And I used the Merry Days collection, and this one has a little tree with a little star, North Pole. And these are so cute. I love these, and I did want to add a stick to the bottom. I was thinking of adding, let's see here. These are just jumbo, ooh, they're cut fast. These are jumbo popsicle sticks from the 99 from Dollar Tree. Oh, so it's like hard to chop the bottom part off without mingling it. Like you can cut these popsicle sticks down the center, but I don't know about on the edge. Ooh, yeah, no, I don't know. But anyway, I was gonna do like a, like the base of a pole and then cover this in faux snow. Yes, look how cute that is. Let me, you know what? We're gonna fix these cracks. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh my gosh. I just repaired that, and I want to put faux snow. Let's see if this works, because I feel like somebody that uses this embellishment, they're going to use it flat, so if you put like a big round thing at the bottom and it goes all the way around, it's not gonna like work, so that's why it has to be like a half circle, if that makes sense. Okay, nice and flat. Let's hold that. Okay, so these are looking so cute. Let's add some snow text because this is the lumpy chunky kind. Oh my gosh, look how cute that looks. Oh, the back ugly. Let me fix that. And I wonder if I added some snow text just to the... Okay, so just real... Ooh, my hands. Okay, so just real quick, I added some faux snow just like it was a real sign in the outside wilderness. The snow would fall and pile up on top and stuff. So I did the base. And then I did a little bit on each of the flag. Oh my god, these are so cute! And they can, whoever's embellishing that you gift it to, it's still a flat embellishment because this is only a half semicircle. So that's another option. Yeah, alright. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.